Yeah, yeah, yeah. Check. For the techs in the building. Getting that A+ cert. You gotta know where the hardware lives. Open and close. Let's take them to school. Yo, it's the case study, pick your frame. Two main types, but they ain't the same. Close keeps it safe, open lets it breathe. Know your form factors before you leave. It's the case study, pick your frame. Two main types, but they ain't the same. Close keeps it safe, open lets it breathe. Know your form factors before you leave. Step into the closed case, the iron shield, keeping dust and damage off the digital field. With the airflow flowing in a steady track. Let's talk sizes, moving front to back. First the full tower, yeah, it's extra large. For the eATX, the board in charge. Maximum cooling, room for every fan. The heavy duty beast for a high-end plan. Next, the mid tower, the industry's best. Commonly known to put the rest to the test. ATX or eATX, it fits them both fine. Balance and performance right on the line. Yo, it's the case study, pick your frame. Two main types, but they ain't the same. Close keeps it safe, open lets it breathe. Know your form factors before you leave. Yo, it's the case study, pick your frame. Two main types, but they ain't the same. Close keeps it safe, open lets it breathe. Know your form factors before you leave. Now scale it down to the mini tower frame, ATX or mATX. Micro's the name, good for the compact. Fewer parts inside when space is a factor. Let the mini be the guide. But if you're living lean, then you're looking at SFF, small form factor. Put your space to the test. Mini-ITX is the board that it needs. Space saver style, but the upgrades receive. Now flip the script, take the walls off the side. The open case style with nowhere to hide. Airflow is peak, the cooling is prime. Components exposed to the test of time. No walls for protection, so watch for the debris. Better cooling, yeah, but nothing is free. Full, mid, mini, SFF. Open to close. Know your specs. A+ certified. We out.